Today I'm working on a 2000 Porsche 911, just making a quick video talking about replacing the water pump on one of these. To replace the water pump, it's not too bad, really. A few things are in the way, some of these water pipes here, and typically this brace here, you can see it has a little bit of damage at the bottom, but this brace has to be removed. And to remove that, you remove the exhaust. But what I found is you can kind of sneak the pump out the bottom if you pull this hard line out of the way. Just pull these screws here and then this one back here. And then pull the hose off the thermostat housing, pull the hose off the water pump, loosen up this nut here, that one right there, and that one up there. Or just use a 15 millimeter open end wrench, as well as this one right here, just a 10 millimeter. And you can just crack those loose and get a screwdriver in here and pry the plate away enough where you can sneak the water pump out. You can get enough clearance where it comes right out of there. So that's it. It saves you a lot of trouble, especially if your exhaust is real rusty and potentially gonna break things. And yeah, you can get it right out. So just do that and pull all the screws, get it out from the bottom. The only screw that's a little bit of a fight is this one back here, way back there. And I use a 1/4 inch drive universal socket to get to it from the bottom. And then yeah, the rest are pretty easy. So that's it. Thanks for watching.